The all-new Volkswagen Passat variant, set to premiere at the end of August, represents the ninth generation of the globally successful mid-size vehicle. With over 30 million units sold in its 50-year history, the Passat continues to impress with its latest model, which offers an array of advanced features. These include a new adaptive chassis control system, ergoActive seats for premium comfort, an intuitive display and operating concept, and a high-quality interior. Most notably, the new Passat will utilize MQB Evo, an evolved version of Volkswagen's modular transverse matrix, enabling a plug-in hybrid drive with an electric range of up to 100 kilometers. The vehicle is slated for launch in the first quarter of 2024. Kai Grünitz, a member of the brand board of management responsible for development, highlights the exceptional ride and travel comfort of the all-new Passat variant due to the longer wheelbase and the advanced adaptive chassis control. In addition, the Passat features an intuitive display and operation system. Its interior boasts premium standards, such as climate-controlled massage seats, which are a part of the high-end ergoActive seating option. These seats provide electric adjustment with various massage and air conditioning functions. The interior architecture of the new Passat variant is enhanced by high-grade materials and effective noise insulation, raising the overall quality and comfort to new levels. The intuitive design has been developed from customer feedback, making it user-friendly and clear. The Passat will launch with a newly designed cockpit and infotainment system, offering a standard infotainment display of 12.9 inches with an optional 15-inch display. Backlit touch sliders allow users to adjust interior temperature and volume with ease, while a new optional head-up display projects information directly onto the windscreen. Space is a significant highlight of the all-new Passat variant. The vehicle is much larger than its predecessor, with an added 14 centimeters in length, resulting in an extra 5 centimeters of legroom. The luggage compartment capacity has also increased by 40 liters to a total of 690 liters. When the rear bench seat is folded down, the capacity extends to 1920 liters, an increase of 140 liters. A range of measures have been implemented to enhance the running gear of the new model. These include a new electromechanical steering setup, modified anti-roll bars and shock absorbers, and adaptations for different wheel rims. The car also offers DCC Pro, a further developed generation of adaptive chassis control with 2-valve shock absorbers. This system adjusts to the road surface and driving situation in real time, calculating the ideal damping for each wheel. The steering ratio and longer wheelbase also contribute to the improved driving characteristics of the Passat variant. Finally, the all-new Passat variant comes with various drive types thanks to the MQB Evo. These include turbocharged petrol engines, mild hybrid turbocharged petrol engines, turbo diesel engines, and plug-in hybrid systems. The electric range of the new plug-in hybrid drives has been extended to up to 100 kilometers, with faster AC charging in all e-hybrid versions and standard DC charging. Furthermore, the Passat variant will feature the new generation of IQ Light LED matrix headlights for premium road illumination and a continuous horizontal LED strip for the tail light clusters. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.